Hello Galaxy, Chris Perillo here, and in my hands is a box that I'm kind of looking forward to unboxing, but also not. I've never had an issue at all with returning phones. Like, I always pack them properly, and if I have the original box, send it in the original box, as was the case with my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which allegedly is in this box. It was in perfect condition, or at least, you know, it was used for a year, but no cracks, no damages, nothing like that, apart from superficial, when I shipped it. When it arrived, according to Samsung, it was cracked. And I was like, wait a second, that doesn't make any sense. So they lowered the value of the trade-in. So at some point, between me sending the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra to Samsung on the trade-in deal, and the time they, I guess, reviewed it or looked at it, it had cracked. Magically, mysteriously. And I'm curious to know what kind of crack it is, because it did not ship cracked in its original container inside another container. Okay, so packed in peanuts here, packed in a white box. I am curious, packed in bubble wrap. Okay, I'm genuinely shocked. I am genuinely shocked. This, according to Samsung, in this box that I just opened right now, is a cracked or damaged screen. There is no crack, no damage at all, apart from superficial, maybe like little barely little nicks down there. Look at that. That's not a crack. So for this condition, this, according to them, was only worth $150, according to Samsung. So they sent it back to me, all packaged, nice and neat, perfect, just like I sent it to them, basically, telling me that this screen that you see right here was cracked or broken, or that this phone was just damaged such that it was not worth $500, it was only worth $150. Really? For real? Like, this is why I was like, yeah, I don't believe it. This is why I didn't believe it. I'm like, there's no way. In all my years, I have never had an issue like this, even with superficial damage. I mean, this is, look. So I'll be honest. I mean, I'm direct. I'm not hiding anything. This is my phone, because I know that it went like that, but this is, it still feels smooth. There's no jagged edges. It's fine. It's just, it's like it's chipped paint, if anything. Like, it's hardly a that's it. On the entire device, side, stem, stern. Like, I mean, I can post pictures in social media. They did take my S Pen, though. The S Pen's not in there. And I definitely sent the S Pen back, and they didn't mark that as the problem. I definitely sent the S Pen back. I didn't even know if I needed to, but it definitely went back with the device. The device itself is not damaged. So they took my S Pen, sent back the device as they said they would, and seriously, Samsung would not take this device at the full asking price, trade-in price of $500. So, WTF? Like, seriously, I'm not making this up. I'm not kidding. This is for real. Like, why would I do this? Why would I want to throw away that money? Because it was a trade-in. I did the direct trade-in when I upgraded the S23 Ultra. So this is probably the second time with Samsung that I've had an issue with their customer service. And I'm stymied. I don't know what to do. I really don't. Like, I genuinely don't know what to do. I don't really want to go back to Samsung and say, this screen is just fine. Like, there's nothing wrong. There's no, like, seriously, my curiosity is not just what I should do at this point, but specifically in learning whether or not other people have run into a similar issue with Samsung, either with this device or another device, because this is really hinky. Like, this just does not add up, like, at all. I take care of my devices. They're always in cases. Like, I take care of my screens. And by the way, I'm recording this video on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So yeah, I'm going to be going on about this on the Twitch stream here, live.perillo.com. We're streaming live on Twitch 24/7, a 24/7 arcade screen sharing, tech talk, geek out. You can join me there. I'm shocked. And for those who would doubt me, here's the email that came in from Samsung with the trade-in results, with the value being decreased after inspection. With an extreme lack of transparency in terms of this process, at least they gave me an opportunity to get the device back, because that would have been lost money otherwise. There's nothing wrong with this device. They only want to give me $155 for something that should be worth $500 because, according to them, the trade-in did not meet their requirements because the device's screen or body is cracked. I didn't see a crack. Did you see a crack? There's no crack apart from someone who might be smoking it.